Hey everybody, I'm the HVAC repair guy. I've spent over 17 years out in the field as an installer, service tech, and contractor. I built on my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're comparing two popular high-efficiency central air conditioners to see how they stack up against each other, the GE NS17A and the Della Ducted Central AC 17 SEER2. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, you see a clear difference right away. The GE NS17A features full louvered coil protection which guards those delicate aluminum fins against yard debris, hail, and stray weed whacker strings. The Della 17 SEER2 unit does not have louvered panels over the coil, leaving the outdoor coil surface much more exposed to potential physical damage over time. When it comes to performance, both systems deliver a matching 17 SEER efficiency rating, so your monthly operating energy costs will be very comparable on paper. However, there is a substantial difference in sound performance. The GE unit runs at 72 decibels, which is fairly standard for a traditional condenser. The Della unit operates at a remarkably quiet 58 decibels, making it significantly quieter when running in your backyard. Looking under the hood at compressor and fan technology, both of these units utilize two-speed compressors paired with two-speed condenser fan motors. That means neither unit uses full variable speed inverter technology, but both can step down to a lower capacity setting for milder days and humidity control. Additionally, both manufacturers wrap their compressors with a compressor sound blanket from the factory to help keep mechanical noise down. If you are looking at who actually makes these units, GE builds the NS17A right here in the United States. Della manufactures their 17 SEER, two ducted central systems in China. In terms of real-world installed pricing, a professionally installed GE NS17A system typically ranges between $6,000 and $9,000 depending on your home's size, regional labor rates, and local code requirements. The Della 17 SEER 2 equipment is often purchased directly for around $3,000 to $4,500 for the hardware, with full professional installation bringing total costs into the $5,000 to $8,000 range. The warranty coverage shows the biggest gap between these two options. GE backs the NS17A with a reliable 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. Della only provides a 1-year parts warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty on this unit, which is exceptionally short for a central air conditioning system. My recommendation between these two is the GE NS17A. While the Della unit is impressive on sound levels, taking on a central AC installation with only 1 year of warranty coverage is simply too much financial risk for most homeowners compared to GE's 10-year backing and louvered cabinet protection.